stretches in this video employ the forced relaxation technique. The good morning stretch is the best thing you've ever done for your hamstrings. It's a complicated stretch, so before you do it, you must understand the proper alignment. If you don't, all you keep doing is overstretching your lower back and your hamstrings shall remain forever tight. Observe. Stand with your feet pointed forward and place your two hands right here on these creases. Keep your weight on your heels. You should be overbalancing and almost falling back. You may hold on to something for balance. Open your chest. Lift your chin high up and stick your hands right in here. Press them really hard. Keep your knees slightly bent. Stick your butt out until you feel some tension underneath your butt, in your hamstrings. At this point, you're ready for the hamstring stretch, the good morning. Get down until you feel that tension, then hold that tension for a while, release. Enjoy. When you can't go any further, squeeze your butt and get back up. Make sure to look straight ahead and keep your chest open. If I catch you looking down, you'll be doing push-ups. Comrade, if you're concerned with your balance or you cannot do